Imagine waking up on what feels like a normal morning. But as soon as you open your eyes, something feels off. The room is still, too still. You inhale deeply, but nothing enters your lungs. The air around you has vanished completely. You try to scream for help, but no sound leaves your mouth. Without air, sound cannot travel, and the world becomes completely silent in a single instant. Within seconds, your body begins to break down. The atmospheric pressure that your body depends on disappears instantly. Without that pressure, the fluids inside your body begin to boil slowly. Not from heat, but from the sudden drop in pressure. Your vision becomes blurry, your chest feels like it's collapsing, and within 2 to 3 seconds, you lose consciousness. Survival is impossible. At the exact same moment, every flame on Earth goes out. Fires in homes, forests, factories. Everything disappears instantly because oxygen is gone. In the skies, thousands of airplanes begin to fall. Their engines shut down, and with no air to create lift, they drop like stones. Cars stop on roads, power plants shut down, and every machine that relies on combustion turns useless. The world plunges into silence and darkness. Minutes later, a terrifying change begins in the oceans. Water starts boiling slowly, not because it's hot, but because water boils at very low temperatures when there is no air pressure. Massive bubbles rise from deep under the sea, and steam escapes into space. The oceans begin to die. With no atmosphere, the sun becomes a deadly enemy. Harmful ultraviolet rays hit the Earth's surface directly. Human skin would burn in minutes. Plants die instantly under the intense radiation. Trees that once stood tall dry up and crumble. Worst of all, the sky turns completely black, even during the day. Without air to scatter sunlight, the atmosphere loses its color. The sun appears as a bright, painful white sphere floating in darkness. Buildings and structures around the world begin to crack and collapse. Windows shatter outward due to pressure differences. Huge buildings weaken, metal expands and contracts rapidly, and dust rises only to fall immediately because nothing can hold it up. All animals, insects, and plants die within minutes. Earth becomes a silent planet with no sign of life. After only one day, the oceans begin evaporating into space at an incredible speed. Without an atmosphere to trap vapor, the water escapes freely into the vacuum. Weather disappears completely. No wind, no clouds, no storms, no rain. The sky becomes an empty black void. Small meteors that usually burn up in the atmosphere now crash directly onto Earth's surface, creating craters everywhere. After a week, temperatures reach extremes never seen before. During the day, the ground heats up to more than 120 degrees, enough to melt certain metals and burn the surface. During the night, temperatures drop to 180 degrees, freezing the land instantly. The ground cracks, mountains erode faster, and radiation from space hits the surface non-stop, breaking down rocks and soil. Within a short time, Earth begins to lose its identity. Without oceans and without a blue sky, the planet turns gray and lifeless. What once was a world filled with cities, forests, and billions of living creatures becomes a cold, silent rock drifting around the sun. After a year, most of the oceans have evaporated. Only tiny traces of ice remain in deep shadows, but even they continue to disappear slowly. No sound, no water, no warmth, no life. Earth becomes almost unrecognizable, a dead world. And in the end, this scenario teaches a powerful lesson. The air we breathe, the thing we never see and never think about, is the most important element of life. Without it, there is no sound, no fire, no water in liquid form, no weather, no protection from the sun, and no life of any kind. The atmosphere is the invisible shield that makes Earth special in the universe. Without it, everything we know disappears instantly. If you enjoyed this what-if scenario, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what topic you want next.